Good day, everyone. I am Mr. Noriel Ilustrolio, and I am here to present to you my FMA1 for our subject Dev 208 Communication, Social Marketing, and Mobilization, a social marketing program review. So I'm proud to present to you my top choice for this FMA. I would like to share this, the Spotify Wrap. So, my agenda for today, I would like to share this program to you because I personally chose this because I love music. I'm a music lover and a Swiftie. So, I will discuss this by parts. First, the brief introduction, date period of implementation of this program, target audience, social marketing and social mobilization activities, other important information, and URL website access. Let me start. I would like to give you a brief introduction about my chosen program. So, I chose Spotify Wrapped. Again, my chosen program is Spotify Wrapped because I'm a music lover and a Swiftie as well. Spotify Wrap is an annual campaign launched by Spotify that transforms users' listening data into a personalized and shareable experience. This is something about music and personal experience. Although it is a primarily marketing campaign, it promotes digital music engagement and encourages community participation through social sharing. By highlighting users' top songs, artists, and genres, it allows individuals to celebrate their personal identity through music. The campaign also strengthens social connection through users generated content, encouraging positive digital sharing behavior and online interaction. Although primarily a marketing initiative, so this is at first a marketing initiative by Spotify. So Spotify Wrap also reflects important social marketing element. So it promotes the four aspect: digital participation, online self-expression, community interaction, and positive social sharing behavior. Digital participation, it's because it encourages active user engagement rather than passive listening. Online self expression by allowing users to showcase their music identity, community interaction through comparison and discussion of results, and positive social sharing behavior that spreads organically across social networks. So these are the example of the Spotify Wrap. As you can see, different musics. And I know you're all familiar with this campaign or marketing initiatives of Spotify. So the date period or the date or period of implementation, its first launch was last 2016, expanded globally and redesigned in 2020 with story style mobile format. Implemented annually every December, continues to evolve with new features, example audio oral, listening personality, and artist messages. The implementing agency of this social marketing campaign is the Spotify. So developed internally by Spotify's data analytics team, marketing team, and the product and UX designers. From 2020 onward, Spotify heavily emphasized its personalization, algorithms, and AI-driven analytics. So the target audience of this campaign, there are two primary and secondary target audience. The primary target audience is the active Spotify users worldwide. And of course, Gen Z and millennials, the heavy social media users like me, I'm millennial, digital natives who value personalization, and the secondary target audience of this, the potential subscribers exposed through social media, artists and music communities. Rap especially target users active on social media platforms such as Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, or it can be the X or the Twitter. When it comes to our subject in relation to this campaign, social marketing and social mobilization activities, users receive a customized summary of their top songs, top artists, listening minutes, top genres, and listening personality. So they will be given a customized summary like of their most listened music, favorite artists, total minutes, how they spent their time listening to the music, and of course, the music styles a user listen to the most, a category that describes a user's music habits and preferences based on their listening behavior. Okay, next. So, other strategies that this Spotify Wrap being used, shareable content, auto-generated graphics. Spotify automatically generates visually appealing, story formatted graphics optimized for platforms such as Instagram stories, Facebook, Snapchat, and TikTok. These graphics are pre-designed for instant sharing. There's no editing needed for this. Use bold colors, animations, and music clips. Following vertical mobile first format, include built-in share buttons. So this reduces user effort and increases the likelihood of participation by making sharing simple and visually attractive. Spotify removes barriers to engagement and maximizes organic reach. In addition to their strategies, Spotify Wrapped encourages users to publicly post their results, such as their top artists. I know you're all familiar with this, top songs, listening minutes, music personality types. This promotes self expression, social comparison, online identity formation. So, when users share their results, they are not just posting data, they are showcasing their personality and lifestyle. This creates emotional attachment and strengthens digital identity. Also, gamification and identity building, Spotify Wrap applies gamification elements to make data fun and engaging, like listening personality categories, like if you're the adventurer type, the specialist type, or the geeky type, and also the audio aura. So, color based mood visualization, badges and ranking comparison, and percentile rankings. These features create excitement, encourage comparison with friends, increase emotional involvement, reinforce brand loyalty. This also strengthens social identity theory, where users align themselves with certain music categories or fan communities. So also their strategies, hashtag campaigns like hashtag Spotify Wrap. Each year, hashtag Spotify Wrap trends globally on social media platforms. So they are maximizing the use of hashtags. Organize user generated content, increase discoverability, create online conversation threads, strengthen campaign visibility. When millions of users post using the same hashtag, it creates a collective digital event. Hashtag campaigns amplify viral marketing, network effects, and cultural participation. Rap becomes more than a campaign, it becomes a yearly online tradition. So, influencer and artist participation. Spotify collaborates with artists and influencers who share their own rap results, think fans through video messages, post reactions to fan listening statistics, and this strategy strengthens parasocial relationships. The fan artist connection encourages fans to share their results, increases emotional attachment to both artist and platform. When celebrities participate, it normalizes sharing behavior and increases credibility. This creates a top down and bottom up mobilization effect. The top down, artists and influencers promote it, and the bottom up, regular users spread it organically. And other important information for this, I would like to emphasize this to my FMA, like generate billions of social media impressions annually, drives app re-engagement and new downloads, considered one of the most successful annual digital engagement campaigns, and it uses data, and the core strategy, it uses data analytics as the core strategy, data-driven strategy, and engagement, and its loyalty. Strengthens brand loyalty through emotional connection, behavioral reinforcement, social proof, viral marketing, personalization strategy, and community building. And I indicated the main website of Spotify Rap for you to access and visit. And there's an official newsroom page and other reliable resources that you may visit about Spotify Rap. Once again, I am Noriel A. Lastrolio, and this is my FMME1 for our subject Dev 208 Communication, Social Marketing, and Mobilization. Thank you for listening and magandang buhay everyone.